Hello, today we're going to learn how to update the firmware on an Epson Stylus Pro printer. From Epson's website, you need to go to the drivers and support section, locate your printer under professional imaging. In this case, we're going to use the example of an Epson Stylus 7900. And the first piece of software you're going to need is a little piece of software called Remote Panel, which you'll find under Drivers and Downloads, under Utilities. Click on Download for Remote Panel. Save that to your Downloads folder. This software will be used later to update the firmware on the printer. So your first step is you need to install the software. Click on Run. Click on OK. Unzip. Proceed with the installation. Confirm. Finish. Now we can go back to the Epson website and back to the download page. And this time we're going to download the actual firmware. And I'll show you how to save that to your desktop. So you click on the firmware update version you need. Go back to the downloads folder once that's done. Click on the executable file. Click on Run. Click on OK for now. We're going to change the location of where it's going to save the file. Click on Browse and save those files to your local desktop for easier location later. Unzip those, say OK. So we now have everything we need in order to update the firmware. So our next step is those are the files, the three files that we need for the firmware update, which will be used by the remote panel software that I'm starting up right now. The first step is you click on Firmware Updater. The next question, you're just going to say cancel because it wants to look for the firmware update over the internet. Doesn't always work, so click on cancel here because we already have it on our desktop. This is showing you the actual version that's on your printer right now. In this example, version 2.10. We're going to want to update that by clicking on Browse. Point to the file that's on your desktop. Say Open. Now that our printer is selected below, if you notice at the top it says version 2.11, at the bottom 2.10, we can proceed with the update. This will take a few minutes depending on the speed of your network, and do not turn your printer off while this is in progress. Wait till everything is completed. Once that's complete, you can just simply click on OK. Click on Close. Exit. And that's it. You're done. Your printer is now updated. Thank you.